In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slow motion videos in Kapwing. We'll be walking through this process step by step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each part. Whether you're looking to add a dramatic effect to your videos or highlight a specific moment, using Kapwing for slow motion is incredibly straightforward. So let's dive in and get started with this creative journey. First things first, head over to the Kapwing website. Kapwing is an online video editing tool that enables you to create more content in less time, offering a user-friendly interface that makes it an ideal choice for both beginners and professionals alike. Once you're on their homepage, the next step is to locate and click on the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Signing in is an important step as it allows you to save and access your projects more efficiently. After clicking Sign In, you'll be given several options. For a quick and seamless process, go ahead and click on Sign In with Google. This option integrates under your existing Google account, making it both fast and secure. Once you click on this, a window will pop up prompting you to select your Google account. Simply select the account you wish to use, and you're good to go. You're now signed into Kapwing and ready to start your project. Now that you've signed in, it's time to locate your project. If you're working on a new video, you might want to start a new project. Otherwise, simply click on the project you want to edit. This will open up your workspace, and you'll be one step closer to transforming your video. With your project open, navigate to the video clip you want to work with. Click on that specific clip to select it. This is where the magic happens. You'll see options for editing, so direct your attention towards adjusting the speed. There should be a speed slider available. This tool is key to creating that slow motion effect. By dragging the slider to the left, you slow down the video. You can experiment with the slider until you achieve the desired slow motion effect. Keep in mind that slowing down too much may result in a choppy or unnatural video if the original was not recorded at high frames per second. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and adjustments, your video is now in slow motion, ready to be saved or shared. Kapwing automatically saves your project as you work, but you can also download it to your device or share it directly to social platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in creating your very own slow motion video masterpiece with Kapwing.